In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Facebook Marketplace efficiently. Whether you're a seasoned online shopper or just getting started, this guide will walk you through the steps to make your buying journey as smooth as possible. Let's dive right in. First, we need to navigate our way to the Facebook Marketplace. If you're already logged into Facebook, you'll find the Marketplace icon located on the left-hand side of your homepage. It looks like a small storefront. A quick click here and you'll find yourself in a digital marketplace bustling with a wide variety of goods, from everyday items to unique finds. Once you're on the marketplace page, it's time to narrow down what you're looking for. At the top of the page, you'll see a search bar. Here you can type in specific keywords related to the item you're hunting for or the name of a seller. This powerful feature allows you to filter through the listings so you can focus on exactly what you want, saving you a lot of time and effort. After entering your search terms, press enter and browse through the results. Click on listings that catch your eye. Taking this step will open more details about the item and even give you access to more photos so you can thoroughly evaluate whether the product meets your needs and expectations. Spot something you like? Great! Click on the item to bring up its full listing page. Here you can review the item description, check the price, and look into any additional information the seller has provided. This is also where you might find ratings for the seller, which can be very helpful in assessing their reliability. Now, if you're ready to make a move on that item you've picked out, it's time to message the seller. You'll find an option to send a message right on the item's page. Simply type out your query, whether it's about the price, condition, or pickup arrangements, and then hit send. It's often a good idea to introduce yourself and thank them for the information they've provided in advance to set a friendly tone. In case you run into a snag with sending messages, there are several troubleshooting steps you can take. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Often, updating the Facebook app can resolve many issues that arise from outdated software. Logging out and back in, or even clearing the cache and data from the app can also help. If needed, uninstalling and reinstalling the app might do the trick. You can also try clearing browser cookies and trying a different device or browser. Lastly, double-check your account privacy settings to ensure everything is in order. Should difficulties persist, visiting Facebook's Help Center might provide additional solutions, as the issue could be related to a temporary account restriction or technical glitch on Facebook's end. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to navigating and using Facebook Marketplace efficiently. Happy shopping, and at your own pace, explore the treasure trove of items waiting for you.